What's going on, MVPs? Cleanup number 2 in the house. Super chunky still. There's gold all through that black sand still. Look at all that. That's just a quick tap. I'll suck that up and do another one. I bet it's a 1/10 of a gram every cleanup. Here's where I went still. On that same gravel bar till it warms up. I got the clay to clear off on this whole spot. So the last few hours I'll be hitting that real hard. Should be freaking half grand cleanup. But yeah, I'm hoping to get rid. I'm hoping to get rid of a lot of this gravel bar right here. Chuck doing a clean out. Couple more fellas upstream, downstream. I seen where my frame was broke. Try to show y'all. And you guys tell me if it can be welded or not. Some professional opinions. Shit. Cracked on the bottom there, you see the crack inside. Top's not broke yet. The bottom is. Y'all tell me what you think. Think I can fix that or I just need a new one. I'm out. See y'all next cleanup. Peace.